Meaning of idealization.
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 Idealization. The term idealization refers to the process of creating a perfect or idealized version of something, often based on individual preferences, ideals, or beliefs. This can be applied to a wide range of subjects, such as people, relationships, society, and even objects. The result of idealization is often an unrealistic and distorted image, which may lead to disappointment, frustration, and misunderstandings. While idealization can serve as a source of inspiration and motivation, it is important to recognize its limitations and strive for a more balanced and realistic perspective.